Hi, I'm Jason Craze, and each year, millions of hobbyists suffer from hobby fatigue. Their pain is extremely real, yet it goes largely unnoticed from most people in society. Please say you'll be part of the answer in helping to save these innocent hobby nerds from the never-ending struggle that plagues so many.
Monument Hobbies is a proud supporter of the HNPS, the Hobby Nerd Protection Society. Proceeds from every order go towards helping end hobby fatigue, and supporters may get this beautiful tote bag.
Call the number on your screen or visit monumenthobbies.com to help add some love and caring to the lives of those in need.
Good, how do you feel?
I have no feelings.